Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Fractal Design's new North XL PC case. So friends, Fractal Design is introducing a new larger addition to our North series, offering you to some transformative design as the original in an extended format and friend as with its smaller sibling. North XL fuses design material with airflow engineering to make performance gaming a stylish addition to the living space. Inside, it offers more room to cater ambitions will aspiration, including space for a 420 mm front-mounted radiator, 360 mm top-mounted radiator, and support for graphics card up to 413 mm. And its spacious, flexible, and intuitive interior layout is designed to allow users to make the most of their building and gaming experience. And friend, North Excel combines transformative take on your gaming PC case with a generous form factor, and it fuses design materials with airflow engineering to make performance gaming a stylish addition to the living space. And friend, you can enjoy a sophisticated looking case which integrated effortlessly into your living space, and it enhances your gaming station with an FSC certified oak or walnut front and Fuchs leather tab and sleek steel or brass details. You can choose a GPU up to 430 mm or up to 380 mm with a 420 mm front radiator, and you can make the most of your build with generous layout compatible with full ATX motherboards. It can support front radiator up to 420 mm and top radiator up to 360 mm. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.